welcome to the shop. Thomas here. This is a little update on the Lumegen replacement bulbs. I actually did get the bulbs. They sent them, or I got them about a week after I posted the video about the bulbs, which is nice. I'm glad they did that. But what I'm thinking about, I want to make a correction on that last video about the bulbs. I mentioned Lenora bulbs, and I mentioned 1000 bulbs, and just to clear up that, I wanted to make sure that you knew that I got the Lumegens from Online Stores Inc. and I got the Lenora bulbs from 1000 bulbs. So I just wanted to make that clear if that wasn't clear in that video. But I am glad that they sent them. Like I said, it took forever for them to get it here, and I've had other problems with that company in the past too, so I don't think I'm going to be doing a whole lot of business with them in the future. But I just wanted to post that, so everybody knows that I did get the replacement bulb. So maybe if you do have any problems with it, if you have the capabilities of making a video, and if it's something you can actually make a video, send them a video, they might be more responsive and quicker response if you did that. But yeah, glad that's over. Yeah, before I got the bulbs, they sent me an email asking me to send them, or if I would send them the damaged bulbs back, and I didn't respond to them because I really didn't think I was going to get get replacement bulbs. But they didn't bother to offer to pay for shipping, so I'm not gonna send those bulbs back because I'm not gonna pay any more money. Like I said, I just had to buy a $40 fixture too for the one that got burned up. But one thing I think I am going to do on that bulb, I was thinking, because I can kind of see the burn marks at the end here, maybe I think that's what that is. But I'm thinking about cutting off the ends here and pulling that LED strip out and doing a little tear down of this bulb and seeing if see what burned up. And I'm also curious of one other thing too, because I've made a lot of different kind of like LED strip lights and stuff, and I can't find a strip light, an LED strip light that's as bright as any of these ones that I've bought that are in this kind of format. The stuff that comes in these little reels, even the double road ones aren't as bright as these single row ones. So I'm just curious if maybe there's any markings on here. I could look them up or anything, see if, or maybe there's even a brand on it. That'd be pretty cool. Well, I seriously doubt there is, but I don't know. I think it might be kind of neat to open this thing up and see what's inside it. Alrighty, let me know what you think.